Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I am frequently asked if it's okay to use a sub 250 gram drone like the DJI Mavic Mini or Mini 2 for a flight review. What's the answer? Well, it's actually a trick question, so let's discuss it. First of all, this is the real deal, straight from Frank at Transport Canada. So it's not my speculation or anything like that. I'll share the real official answer in this video. The catch is, it's a bit tricky. Let's start with the simple part though. Whatever drone you use at a flight review must be registered. The flight reviewer is required to enter your drone registration number in the drone management portal. Okay, that's simple enough, right? Well, no, and that is catch number one. And yeah, there are 22 of these catches. You can't actually register a drone under 250 grams. You can only register drones between 250 grams and 25 kilograms. But wait, come back. There's a way around this. Don't worry. Remember, the weight of the drone includes any accessories like prop guards attached at the time of the flight. So let's register a DJI Mini 2, which weighs 240 grams on its own, by assuming we fly with prop guards, or something that brings the weight over 250 grams. Okay, we're off to the races. Except catch number two. The DJI Mini 2 isn't listed on the Transport Canada drop-down on the registration site, because after all, it's below 250 grams. Why would it be there? No problem. Just select Tell Us About Your Drone and enter a description and all this other jazz, and bing bang boom, you'll eventually have a registration number and be $5 lighter. Okay, now catch number three. To fly at a flight review, you must be flying a drone capable of doing at least a basic operation. Why is that a problem? Well, to fly a basic operation, you must be between 250 grams and 25 kilograms. So yep, you have to fly with prop guards or carry some other safe payload that brings your drone over 250 grams. But not over the payload capacity of your drone, which unfortunately DJI doesn't actually document, which is catch number four. So the official prop guards weigh about 47 grams in total. So we know that DJI allows the drone to carry at least 47 grams of payload. Okay, but catch number five, the Mini 2 doesn't come with prop guards. Sure, they're available, but they don't come even in the Fly More package. And who would buy them just for this? No problem. Just securely attach a payload of any kind, even a block of wood like this. And look at that, amazing, 252 grams. Do make sure your payload is securely attached to the drone. We don't want somebody getting hit on the head at your flight review. Catch number six. When you add a payload to a DJI Mavic Mini or Mini 2, the drone may detect the additional weight and enable what they call payload mode, which will reduce your maximum altitude and distance substantially and cut your battery time. As it happens, my drone didn't detect my fancy 12-gram block of wood, but just to show you, here's the message you would see with something like prop guards. Now, this is just a heads up. It's not really a catch, so I won't give it a number. Catch number seven. Some folks have said that the drone must also be on the approved list of drones suitable for advanced operations. You know, the list of drone models allowed to fly in controlled airspace, near people, or over people. And neither the Mini or Mini 2 are on that list. But the good news is, this is bogus. This is absolutely not a requirement for the flight review. Unless, of course, your flight review is in controlled airspace, in which case, I'm sorry, you're hosed by catch number eight, because your sub 250 gram drone that is normally allowed to fly in controlled airspace is now carrying baggage. And so it would not be allowed in controlled airspace because it's over the limit and it's not on the list. Now, not all flight reviewers are aware of the subtleties of these strange rules, and they simply say no to DJI Minis because they're sub 250 gram drones. So I suggest you talk to your flight reviewer in advance to ensure everybody's on the same page. And if they don't allow it, tell them to talk to Frank. They'll know who Frank is, or find another flight reviewer who does actually understand the rules. So in summary, yes, you can fly a DJI Mavic Mini or Mini 2 for a flight review, but only if your flight review will be in Class G airspace and your drone is registered and it is carrying sufficient payload to bring it over 250 grams at the time of your flight. A bit wacky? Yeah. Simple solution though, I guess, and certainly cheaper than buying a larger drone if your current one is a Mini. Thanks for watching, safe and happy flying, and good luck at your flight review. Damn it, that was only 8 catches. I need 14 more.